Yes, yes! Somebody in there!
10 points if you go in the washing machine, 5 points if you hit it.
Oh, unlucky.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
nice.
God, straight in. Yeah!
Nice. Down then as well. I hate this game.
All right, have that, get it.
Yeah.
Oh, that was unlucky, that.
One and done.
I hate the machine. For a man of my talent, that is a victory.
Quite odd. You found your calling.
That's lovely.
Absolutely delighted, top of the leaderboard in the kick in the socks into the washing machine challenge. The only celebrity up here, 2 footballers, so technically I think that makes me top of the leaderboard. Absolutely delighted.